Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Hyundai Santa Fe software. First, verify your current software version through the infotainment system settings. This helps confirm if an update is necessary. Next, ensure your vehicle's battery has ample charge, or connect it to a charger to prevent power loss during the process. Finally, prepare a USB drive with at least 32 gigabytes of storage, formatted to FAT32 or XFAT, for the update files. Now, let's get the necessary files. Navigate to the official Hyundai Navigation Update website on your computer. It's crucial to select your exact Hyundai Santa Fe model and its manufacturing year from the provided drop-down menus to ensure compatibility. Once selected, proceed to download the correct navigation and infotainment software update files. These files can be quite large, so a stable internet connection is recommended for a smooth download. With the files downloaded, it's time to transfer them. Extract all the downloaded software update files directly onto your formatted USB drive. Make sure no other files are on the drive. Then, take the USB drive to your Hyundai Santa Fe and insert it into the designated USB port, usually found near the center console. The system should automatically detect the update. Simply follow the clear on-screen prompts to begin and finish the installation process. After the installation is complete, it's important to verify everything. Go back into your Hyundai Santa Fe system settings to confirm that the new software version is correctly displayed. Then, take a moment to test essential functions such as navigation, radio, and media playback to ensure everything is working perfectly. For more details on the update process and other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.